Hi, I'm Elle Barton, um, Chapter 2, Segment 1, Functional Neuroanatomy, the Nervous System and Behavior. Um, Neurons, or nerve cells, are the basic unit of the nervous system. Each is composed of a cell body, receptive extensions, or dendrites, and a transmitting extension, or an axon. They are the main cells of the brain. Other brain cells are glial cells, which provide support and make additional contributions to information processing. Ramon E. Cajal drew some really good neurons using Camillo-Golgi's staining technique and won the Nobel Prize. The synapse is the tiny gap between neurons where information is passed from one to another. Neurons have all the same parts as regular cells, like the mitochondria, cell nucleus, and ribosomes. The major parts of the neuron are the cellular extensions called dendrites, from the Greek dendron, meaning tree, serve as an input zone receiving information from other neurons. Dendrites may be elaborately branched to accommodate synapses from many other neurons. A cell body, or soma, which contains the cell's nucleus, may receive additional synaptic contacts. In most types of neurons, inputs are combined and transmitted in the cell body, so it acts as an integration zone. The axon leads away from the cell body and serves as the conduction zone, transmitting the cell's output information in the form of electrical impulses away from the cell body. Specialized swellings at the end of the axon terminals, are a functional output zone. They transmit the neuron's activity to other cells at synapses. Box 2.1, neuroanatomical methods provide ways to make sense of the brain. This is just different ways that seeing the brain has changed. The Golgi stains, that's how Ramon E. Cajal did it. Okay. Then there's missile stains, and autoradiography, which cells are manipulated into taking photographs of themselves. Neurons are classified into three principal types: multipolar neurons, where there are many dendrites in a single axon; bipolar neuron, where there's a single dendrite and a single axon; and a unipolar neuron, where there's a single branch of a dendrite, I guess, and then there's an axon too. So their neuronal cell body and dendrite receives information across synapses. The arrangement of neurons' dendrites is like arborization. It reflects the complexity of the neuron's information processing function. There's a presynaptic, referring to the region of the synapse that releases neurotransmitter, and postsynaptic, referring to the region of the synapse that receives and responds to neurotransmitters. The synaptic cleft is a gap about 20 to 40 nanometers that separates the presynaptic from the postsynaptic membranes. And then neuroplasticity is the ability of the nervous system to charge in response to experience or the environment. An axon hillock is a cone-shaped area from which the axon originates out of the cell body. Innervate is to provide neural input. Axon collateral is a branch of an axon from a single neuron. And